So it's been great to talk to the girls here at Sacred Hearts Academy about STEM opportunities in ag. I talked a lot about vegetable seed production and different careers, STEM careers that you can have in agriculture. I also talked a lot about what they can do from an education perspective to prepare themselves to go into the STEM field, and also a little bit about my journey and that their path doesn't have to be decided right as they come out of high school, but they keep themselves open to a lot of different opportunities.
So for you, passionate
STEM in general is extremely important for a number of reasons. I mean, the amount of STEM careers, the field is doubling compared to other occupations, and so it's really important for high school students, and particularly women, since they're underrepresented, to start getting an education in science, in engineering, in math, so that they're prepared to fill these really high demand occupations and essentially get a better opportunity to have a lot more to do and have a big impact on the world.